Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
Smoke billows, alarms blare. The life of a firefighter is constantly filled with challenges. Today, I will unravel the world of the brave souls battling flames. Firefighters, the brave hearts in reflective gear and helmets, rushing into the heart of danger. Their mission? To save lives and protect property. Their tools? Fire trucks, hoses, extinguishers, and a relentless spirit. But let's focus on the word unravel. In the context of firefighting, unravel could mean to understand the cause of the fire, to disentangle the knots of a hose, or to unwind after a long, perilous shift. So, next time you see smoke and hear sirens, remember the brave firefighters and the many threads they have to unravel in their noble pursuit. Also, learning is a journey, and every word unraveled brings us closer to understanding our world. If you enjoyed this journey, do subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment. Until next time, keep unraveling.